Yeah.
Okay.
So you're just down for the day then?
No, we came down.
Thing in front, that's it. There you go, that will start you off.
Yes, it's Sex Pistols, the Stranglers, and the Buzzcocks.
Oh, right.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my word.
Right, it's about making a move, mate, because it's 2:30 already.
2:30.
Yeah.
I'll just get her one last glance.
Okay.
This is getting back to the Uncle Tom's days. Commodore, is it?
It is.
I think I'm getting used to this game, isn't it? Space Sweeping and Invaders, I say.
Yes, yeah.
You've got one for the old 2600 game, the Atari. That one, it was supposed to be replaced
Oh.
with the Commodore 64, but it never had sprites.
Yeah.
To make games of it.
Yeah.
That's why it lost out.
Ah, okay. I love all the manuals. They're about that
Oh,
thing,
yeah,
aren't they?
Oh, those ones.
Yeah.
I thought the games ones.
Oh, this is the spreadsheet.
Ha! She got ship number 2. Oh.
Yes,
Wow.
Again tomorrow and Monday. And then again on Wednesday.
The same time, yeah? The same time.
Same time, 8:24. And 6:31.
Oh.
Hope to see you again soon.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's all right. Okay.
I think you're hooked.
Well, we'll wait until we reach the end, until we get the end. Like, oh, I just get.
Here, come back about 4 hours later.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
Very good.
Yeah.
Right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Excellent.
Yes.
I'm glad you enjoyed that, George.
Yeah, we enjoy it.